Ease up, tiger. Come on. Come on.
What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. Here's a close-up encounter with a giant alligator. These beasts can run up to 35 miles per hour for short distances on land. What you never want to do when encountering them is make the mistake of thinking that an alligator is slow and lethargic. You can tell by the demeanor of this bull moose that it's not about to shake hands with these outsiders. In fact, this fearless animal charges at their vehicle despite being half its size.
Now we've got an issue.
Yeah. He's tired.
I think I better start back. I can't back up that fast, can I?
Black bears are naturally timid bears. Generally, the best thing to do when you come face to face with one is make as much noise as possible to scare them off. That's what this family does in order to save their dog from a black bear attack. Bisons are not friendly. They may approach you out of curiosity, but it's definitely not for affection.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay, get down away from the fence, you guys. Get down away from the fence.
Looks like this bison got an itchy nose that needed to be scratched, so it uses the tailgate of this vehicle.
Yeah, he is.
Snakes love overgrown vegetation and grass and often burrow through loose topsoil. They need moisture to stay cool and hydrated during hot summer days. Check out this giant snake on the move.
Is alle kan beweeg, hy is dig geëet. Kom maar dikkes. Jesus. Dis hy's al 'n mens eet hierdie ding, man.
A high volume of people are reported to be attacked by alligators each year, so don't attempt to feed them like this unless you're a trained professional. This big gator comes out for a bite to eat and gets a full belly of meaty treats to snack on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. The big head up. The big head up. There you go. Come on. Come on. That's a big boy. What's up, bud?
Hey, ease up, tiger. Come on. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Wait. Come on. Wait. Come on. You hungry? Hey?
She just wanted to take a picture, but unfortunately, this camera-shy sea lion wasn't feeling photogenic in the slightest. Despite their conspicuous coloration, red-eyed tree frogs are not venomous. They're found in the tropical lowlands of southern Mexico. A curious grasshopper hops its way into a family home and gets well acquainted with its residents, as if it just became the new house pet. This grasshopper is huge and playfully enjoys its visit.
Everywhere when you see them.
So when you grab him, you grab him like this. Watch. He kicks me with his foot. Just grab him.
Ow.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh.
Put your hand underneath him. Oh, you can grab him like that. Okay, put your hand flat so he sits on your hand. There you go. Let's see him.
Oh.
Oh. You're gonna grab him? So pulling his legs up?
Dad, what if he's poisonous?
No, he's not poisonous. He's just a grasshopper.
Ah!
Okay, ready?
Oh, he did a backflip! Ah! Whoa!
Did you clean up after yourself?
Got him?
Oh.
Let go of his wing.
No, I don't want him to fly.
Oh. Okay.
No!
You may be thinking, wow, this rat is huge, but it's not just any type of rat. Muskrats are medium-sized semiaquatic rodents which are native to North America. These critters are aggressive and can be dangerous, some of which carry rabies. Generally speaking, muskrats are pretty aggressive when it comes to other animals, but they are also known to be aggressive towards humans as well, so keep a safe distance when encountering them. This grumpy bullfrog didn't appreciate being caught up in this net. It was so fed up, in fact, that it expresses its frustration through grunts and an angry yell at its capturer. Wait until the end to see it.
Oh, he's a vocal frog. Okay.
Hats off to the composure of the driver for staying focused in this high pressure situation. Can you imagine having to reverse your way out of this problem with a charging elephant coming straight at you? This safari tour guide deserves a raise for this performance. Check it out. How strong is a boar, you might wonder? Well, strong enough to have the headlights of your car completely tarnished in one charge. Uh-oh, looks like a roadblock ahead, but not the usual type. Up ahead in this jam is a herd of bisons walking opposite the traffic, but once they all clear the path, it's now a pack of wolves that's up next. You certainly wouldn't want to pass by without a car to drive in to keep you safe. This next clip is sure to bring chills down your spine. Not many people would have the courage to be out in a single kayak and watch the sight of huge fins swimming your direction with menacing aura. A bear encounter in the woods of Canada is an inevitable situation that's just waiting to happen.
Hello， 我能摸摸你吗？你真可爱。
Despite their intimidating demeanor, rhinos can be protective, but they're rarely aggressive if unprovoked. They prefer to roam unhindered and undisturbed. However, if they perceive a threat, they may defend themselves by charging, so be friendly and cautious. With as few as 3,900 tigers left in the wild, the thrill of spotting one of these rare and elusive predators in their natural habitat is simply unmatched. If you happen to encounter one in the flesh, it's best to stand up gradually and stand tall. The tiger must see you as a human being and not as any unsuspecting prey animal. Tigers usually attack their prey from behind, especially when they happen to be sitting.
Походил минут 10, пока мы удочки раскладывали, наблюдал за нами в кустах. Ему интересно, он молодой, походу, я не понимаю, в чем дело, просто. Вон он пошел. Унюхал что-то, гарь машины, видать. Он уже охотится. Это просто... Это... Да Дима просто идет. Посмотрите, какая красота. Это просто вообще...
А вот Шерхан как раз вовремя подоспел к трапезе.
Ведро забрал, слышишь? Ведро забрал, отдай ведро! Не, забирай удочку, поедем. Ведро отдай!
Like what you see? You're gonna love what we have next. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll